I'd like to help the consumers because I've been the brand ambassador of Videocon and one of the greatest appliances and otherwise I've been associated with television. Like you heard, my association has been very, very emotional because it was the first and last television that my mother presented to me. And the whole family has been very kind to me, but always I have maintained that I should try and find out what the consumers like. I'm very interested in Videocon's reach to the consumer and the ease with which they can use it. So I understand all that you said. Thank you very much. There was amazing presentation. But between LEDs, DDBs, LCDs, my logic is, you know, a TV is a TV. So one of you here, please answer to the simple layman, how does DDB make it any different television, or how does it make it a better TV?
See, a TV was a TV till now. It's only with the DDB, it becomes a multifunctional gadget.
Okay, so are you telling me that all the other smart TVs and 3D TVs that exist right now in the market, including some from your company, this is going to be a more revolutionary or a better system of watching a television?
Well, it not only enhances the picture and the sound quality, which obviously is the prime function of a television after all, but as I said, it has a smart TV, it has an internet, it has a cloud computing, it has a 3D, it has over-the-air software upgrade.
Okay, so tell me about this. What is
multifunction?
How does cloud computing compatible with TV? What does it mean for a television? I understand what cloud computing is when I'm talking about a computer, but how does it work for a television?
Well, see, what happens is you would have an internet TV coming out of a television, for example. So you do some work, you access your net, and you do some work. But where do you store? Because to store the data, you need a hard disk. And if I put a hard disk in a television or in an LED, for example, not only it will become very thick and ugly to look at, but also it will become expensive. And therefore, all the customers may not like to use internet and therefore store. So I am actually burdening them with a huge cost. And also, as I said, the form factor will move away because today people like a thin, hanging on the wall kind of a set. So what next?
People like everything thin nowadays, yeah. Okay, tell me, but I want to understand, does that mean I don't use my computer if I have a television like this? Do I still need my computer or the screen?
Well, what we recommend is there are millions and millions of households in India where there is no computer at home, but surely there is a television at home, and therefore rather than those customers investing in two gadgets, they can actually pick up only one Videocon DDB LED TV and they can work, it works as a computer and also it works as a TV. And if you have noticed in my presentation, we also said it has a dual core processor with a 14-bit processing. So which means it has got all the ingredients, all the electronics of a computer already.
And we just need a keyboard, or
we are giving as a goodie bag wireless mouse and a keyboard along with it.
And last question, when you're talking about this over-the-air software upgrades, so what you're trying to say is because it is so digitized now, just like you have it for Mac and stuff, you can actually upgrade over the air. Is that what it means, or I've not misunderstood?
What it means is that these days downloading from the internet is very popular. So you carry your stuff in either a pen drive or whatever, and then you try to play it on your TV. But what happens is the software may not be, it may not complement. So sometimes today there are 29 types of software, but your TV today might carry 12 or 13 software upgrades. But tomorrow, after 5 years, the latest software of that time may not be ready to play in this television. So therefore, what we are saying is that at all times, we will continue to upgrade the software via the air, which is actually through the DTH route.
So that's it. I think I have to ask you any more about the television. We'll start making some. So thank you very much for all your answers, and I hope the consumers and all of you have understood a little more about DDB because, you know, in the jargon of technology, we kind of get confused. So overall, I assume, and as I've always said, being the brand ambassador of Videocon, and as I said, one of the oldest and one of the most popular appliances plus television companies for 25 years in our country, it's an honor to be a part of this, and inshallah, this television, the DDB TV, will do as well as the rest of the appliances, the rest of the products that have been doing for years. So thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.